Hello, viewers. This is James W. Allen Jr. at My Personal Experiences. Come follow me as I finish up putting the butcher block countertops on the cabinets here. I'll be refinishing them. I will also be installing the sink components and getting everything up and running. This is just a short video to show the process. Thank you for viewing. Thank you so much for watching and viewing at this time. If you could please like, subscribe, and comment, that would be appreciated. Thank you.